Today in class we talked about how you can use kinetic energy to turn a pop can from this into this, and I'm going to show you a quick demo online about how this works. So all I did was I put about a tablespoon of water into a pop can, making sure that this little inside tab was pushed back as far as possible, and I placed it on a burner or a hot plate to let it heat up inside and have those liquid particles turn into gas particles with high kinetic energy. Left it on that hot plate for about 2 minutes until I saw a lot of steam coming out of the top. Can was heating. I prepared a large bowl of ice water, and I waited till I could see steam coming out of the top of the pop can, and I could hear some popping or squeaking from inside the can to let me know that the air and water inside were really heated. Then I put on a glove to protect my hands from the heat of the can. I picked up the can by the middle and turned it upside down into the bowl of water. Very quickly, the pop can crushed after hitting the surface of the water. Science behind what happened. Initially, you put a tablespoon of water into the pop can before you placed it on the heat source. As it heats up, we know that the kinetic energy of those particles increases until they break loose and become a gas. Then, when you place that pop can into the water and it cools off those particles, they lose kinetic energy and turn back into a liquid again. And we know that liquid particles have much less space between them than air particles do or gas particles do. So when that water that was turning into vapor condensed back into a liquid, when you introduce that cool water, it reduced the space between it and it made it crunch back together.